Is there a video you watched a long time ago? Then you try to watch it again, but the video is not deleted or set to private. So how do you watch videos that are not deleted or set to private? It's really easy. But keep in mind, it only works on videos with bigger views though. We are using this website called Wayback Machine from archive.org. First, the video must be over 100,000 views in order to make sure that the video is saved in the archive itself. If the video is not saved, then you're out of luck. Second, you must know the URL of the video itself. You can find URLs on the playlist and copy it. Now, go to the archive.org website and just paste the link. Delete the other characters that are not part of the video itself, including the M on the mobile versions. And there are a lot of dates. Just click the ones that are blue and not green. Green ones are redirects and mostly not the video. If the video plays, then the video is saved on the archive. Now, you can enjoy deleted videos. If this tutorial not work for you, then you can search for re-uploads. There are a lot. Thanks for watching this video. You see, I live in a very poor area, filled with filth and garbage, unable to fix this or escape due to financial restrictions. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also go to my Patron page to be one of my patrons. See you all next time in another video.